Hello everyone, my name is Eric Somerville and I'm going to give you a flight review of the massively popular and incredibly easy to fly Syma S107. If you like this little RC helicopter, you can pick one up from Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. You're going to get the best price over there for around 18 bucks. A quick summary is that this is a total beginner's helicopter. You're not going to find an easier helicopter to fly. If you have no interest in learning to fly a helicopter and you just really want something that flies around the house, this is the helicopter for you. Or if you're buying this for a kid or someone who's never flown one before, this would be the perfect idea. The gyro, which is the two weights on top of the rotor, will keep the helicopter very stable. It works just like a spinning top does. You know those toys that you spin around and they stay flat and level when they're spinning? The blades are pretty lightweight and they actually hinge on the rotor, which helps if the helicopter hits you. Don't worry if the blades feel loose to you, they're actually supposed to be this way. The flight time is really great. I was impressed. Around 8 minutes flight time. Charging takes about 30 minutes with a USB charger that is included. This thing is a flying tank. I made a video of me purposely crashing the Syma S107 over and over and it still flies like brand new. I just can't seem to break this one. The helicopter is great for kids or anyone who's looking to fly a toy that won't break after a couple days. It's great for delivering notes at the office or even creating an obstacle course in your living room. Me personally, I prefer faster, more challenging helicopters, but this is the first helicopter I grab when someone wants to test out a helicopter for the first time because I know they're not going to crash and break this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this helicopter, please feel free to ask. I do my best at responding usually within a day. Make sure to pick one up by clicking the link in the description below. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get yours for less than 20 bucks. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.